The Canon R9 can be selected to be the spiritual successor or the mirrorless successor of the highly popular Canon RP camera. Though Canon has yet to make an official announcement, leaks and whispers have painted an intriguing picture of this potential addition to the EOS R series. If these rumors hold true, the EOS R9 could redefine what photographers and videographers expect from a mid-tier full-frame mirrorless camera. At the heart of the Canon EOS R9's rumored capabilities is a robust 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. For photographers, this is a potential game-changer. Full-frame sensors inherently deliver better image quality compared to their smaller APS-C counterparts, especially in low-light conditions. The larger sensor size allows for more light capture, reducing noise and preserving details in darker environments. This rumored 33-megapixel resolution offers a fine balance between capturing intricate details and maintaining manageable file sizes. Photographers could expect sharper, crisper images that excel in a variety of scenarios, from sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits. Imagine capturing the subtle hues of a sunset or the fine details of a subject's expression with striking clarity. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this rumored sensor is designed to elevate your work to the next level. A powerful sensor is only half the equation. Autofocus performance plays a critical role in delivering exceptional results. The Canon EOS R9 is rumored to feature Canon's cutting-edge dual-pixel autofocus 2 system, known for its lightning-fast speed and remarkable precision. This technology ensures that your subject remains sharp and in focus, even in dynamic or fast-paced situations. For wildlife photographers, this means tracking a bird in flight with ease. For event photographers, it allows you to capture the fleeting expressions of joy during a wedding or party. Even in challenging lighting or busy environments, dual-pixel AF2 could help ensure every shot counts. The autofocus system is expected to perform exceptionally well across both photography and videography, making it a versatile tool for creators. If video production is your forte, the EOS R9's rumored capabilities might be just what you've been waiting for. It's expected to support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second without cropping the image, a significant improvement for videographers who value maintaining the full field of view. This feature allows for professional-looking footage with crisp details and vivid colors. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Canon is also rumored to include slow-motion options, potentially offering 4K at 60 frames per second and Full HD at a stunning 120 frames per second. These advanced frame rates open the door to creating captivating slow-motion sequences, adding drama and artistry to your projects. From capturing every splash of water in a wave to freezing the intricate movements of a dancer, the EOS R9 could be the perfect tool to elevate your storytelling. One of the most thrilling aspects of the EOS R9's rumored features is its burst shooting capability. Speculation places its performance at up to 30 frames per second, FPS, with continuous autofocus. This incredible speed makes it a dream for action and sports photographers, allowing them to capture split-second moments with ease. Whether it's a runner crossing the finish line, a bird taking off, or a wave crashing against the rocks, the EOS R9 could ensure you never miss a critical moment. The combination of fast burst speeds and Canon's renowned autofocus system creates a potent tool for those who thrive in high-pressure, high-action scenarios. Low-light performance is often a key differentiator in camera performance, and the EOS R9 is rumored to shine in this area. Thanks to its full-frame sensor and the likely inclusion of Canon's Digic X processor, The camera is expected to handle high ISO settings with ease. In practical terms, this means you can capture clean, detailed images in dimly lit environments without introducing excessive noise. Whether you're photographing a city skyline at night, an indoor event, or a starlit landscape, the EOS R9 could deliver results that are both vibrant and noise-free. The Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be a versatile tool for creators of all kinds. Rumored features include a high-resolution electronic viewfinder for precise composition, a fully articulating touchscreen for flexible shooting angles, and seamless compatibility with both RF and EF lenses via an adapter. These features provide the tools you need to adapt to any shooting scenario. Connectivity is another strong point. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the EOS R9 is expected to make sharing and transferring your creations a breeze. Whether you're posting your latest masterpiece on social media or delivering files to a client, this camera is rumored to offer effortless integration with your workflow. Rumors suggest the EOS R9 will occupy a sweet spot in Canon's lineup, potentially succeeding the EOS RP or EOS R. With an anticipated price range between $999 and $2,000, it positions itself as an affordable yet feature-rich option for both enthusiasts and professionals. This strategic pricing could make it an attractive choice for those seeking high-end performance, without the hefty price tag of models like the EOS R6. The EOS R9 will likely face stiff competition in the market. Key rivals include the Nikon Z5, Sony A7 III, and Panasonic S5 Mark II. Each of these cameras offers compelling features, but the R9's rumored advancements could give it an edge. For instance, the Nikon Z5 boasts a full-frame sensor but falls short in resolution compared to the R9's rumored 33 megapixels. The Sony A7 III is a solid performer but is beginning to show its age, particularly in terms of processing power and autofocus. Meanwhile, the Panasonic S5 Mark II is a videographer's favorite, but the R9's potential low-light performance could make it more appealing to photographers. While Canon has yet to announce an official release date, speculation points to a 2025 launch. If the rumors prove accurate, the EOS R9 could be a transformative addition to the mirrorless camera market, offering exceptional performance at an accessible price point. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring photographer, the Canon EOS R9 might just be the tool to bring your creative vision to life. Stay tuned, keep your lenses polished, and get ready for what could be one of Canon's most exciting releases yet.